Doppler 12 Futurecast.
A pretty dreary Christmas Eve happening today as we have some rain and drizzle that we're continuing to watch move through Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. There's even some heavier downpours right now just offshore, clipping the islands this noontime. And we continue to see additional rainfall off to our west that will be moving through over the next few hours of the afternoon. So off and on rain and certainly some damp conditions out there. Our threat tracker Futurecast for today and tonight, though, going to remain in the low category. We are going to up it tomorrow as we bring in the more intense part of this weather disturbance with periods of rain heaviest in the afternoon through the night before winding down on Christmas morning. Winds will likely pick up as we head towards the evening hours of Christmas Eve, with 1 to 3 inches of rainfall expected by the time it all moves out of here again on Thursday morning. In terms of air travel, you can see that this is a pretty large storm system bringing snow to the plains and the Great Lakes, western and northern Great Lakes. Severe weather right now, even potential for some tornadoes down in the deep south and up and down the East Coast. Some travel delays already being reported at some of the major Northeast cities. And we're going to keep those same areas with travel delays potentially for your Wednesday as well. You can see from New York City down through D.C., Atlanta, and Florida dealing with the rainfall. So big East Coast system, but not wintry weather with this one for most of us, just rainfall. Even up to ski country, they're going to see enough warm air that it's going to be raining for tomorrow. Live city cam, it's the low clouds. You can see the raindrops on the camera lens. 46 degrees the temperature with that northeast wind at about 9 miles an hour. A little fog in spots too. Echo Lake has been low cloud cover. Visibility down to about 2 miles in the northern part of Rhode Island, just under 2 in Taunton, and very dense fog in Worcester. So showers and drizzle as kids head off the bus this afternoon. The raincoat and umbrella needed. Low pressure trying to work its way up to our up towards our area, bringing the rainfall. The more potent storm system, though, is still down in the deep south, and that's going to cross over the Great Lakes and bring a lot of moisture our way. This unsettled weather will continue overnight tonight. Temperatures will hold fairly steady so that when you wake up tomorrow morning, we're in the 40s to near 50 degrees. And through the day tomorrow, warming through the 50s. It's late tomorrow evening and night that we hit that 60-degree mark on Wednesday, with rain falling Christmas Eve night throughout the early morning hours of Christmas. This is 9 a.m. Thursday. Moving offshore then with the rainfall, gusty winds continue, but we should dry out. Here are the temperature futurecast again for 2 o'clock this afternoon. Not changing much, maybe rising a couple more degrees up to near 48 to 50 degrees, and we'll stay near that range by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So a mild starting point, warming through the 50s during the day. And look at 11:30, Christmas Eve night. 61 in Providence, near 60 New Bedford, 57 up in Boston. By 7 o'clock Christmas morning, still near 60 degrees, and those temperatures start to drop a bit in the afternoon hours. This is 52 degrees on Christmas afternoon at 2. In terms of the wind speeds, the strongest winds again slated for Wednesday evening and night, 25 to 35 miles an hour as we head towards Wednesday evening, and then an occasional wind gusts over 40 miles per hour possible, especially the Cape and the islands from this system. And most of that's going to be felt on Thursday. During the day on Christmas, even as the storm moves away, gusty winds will follow, and those temperatures again dropping from the upper 50s to near 60 into the lower 50s. So it stays above average as we dry things out Friday, Saturday. Sunday could see a few rain showers possibly, and we'll have to watch the system offshore Sunday night and Monday.